Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is the comfort zone. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, when we talk about comfort zone, we are talking about a mental state of safety. It got the following characteristic. It is a mental state where the person uses fears, avoidance, behaviors, and anxiety in their daily lives using routines behaviors to achieve a constant return without assuming any risk. It is essential to leave the comfort zone to be able to develop any type of entrepreneurship, business model, business idea, and create something different and new. The comfort zones allows person not to take risk, not realizing their dreams and life and the things that you're wondering if they could happen, you never know. Design thinking and innovation promote risk, do not settle, and generate products and services that improve people's lives. Okay, so when we talk about comfort zone, we are basically talking about a situation where everyone's sometimes in their life feel. However, when you don't take any risk and you always want to play safe, you could have like different situations that they could be dangerous for your life, and especially if you want to innovate and create new things or redesign and do something different. So this video is focusing on that. Before I start explaining anything, if you like our content, if you like what we do, please subscribe to our channel, give us a like, turn on the bell because it really helps us a lot to keep growing and yeah, keep doing what we do. So when we talk about comfort zone, the first thing that you need to know is that it's basically is when you feel safe and in control of everything that you are doing. For example, in your job, in your personal life. So it got that name because you feel really good at that moment and that situation. However, as you can see, the comfort zone is small. When you start growing and start trying new things, you get to a something called the scary zone. In that zone, you distrust of yourself, you trying to find excuses to get back to the comfort zone, and you are affected by opinions of other people. So it's very interesting because every time that you do something new, it's normal that you feel scared when you got a new job, when you go to a new country, when you start going out with someone. All of those situations are scary and that is normal. However, you have two options: get back to your comfort zone or keep moving. If you keep moving, you get to the learning zone. And that zone, as you can see, is bigger. Why? Because you face new challenges and problems. You acquire new skills and if you start dominating those situations, you extend your comfort zone from this small part over here to this one over here, which is way bigger and more interesting. So that's something that every person in the world could face, and not everyone get to the learning zone. However, there is one more, and it's the growth zone. That zone got some characteristics very interesting because when you go to the growth zone, you find new purpose in your life. You start living your dreams. You establish new goals. You achieve new goals. And that is awesome because that's what happens when you start developing a new product, a new service, a new in process of innovation or creating something new, a business idea. You have to be scared sometimes in your life. You have to learn from that situation and then you can grow. The comfort zone is a very interesting concept because every person in the world has feel that. And the most important thing over here is that you understand how important it is And of course, you can stay here your whole life. You don't want to learn anything new. You don't want to do something. You always want to play safe. And it, there's people to do that. But if you want to innovate, if you want to create, if you want to do something new and different, you have to go for all of these stages to get to the growth zone when you can start developing and focusing in something different and fulfilling for your life. As a conclusion, we can say that for various situations that life has, people make commitments they are not allowed to take financial risk and professionals. Therefore, they remain his entire life in the comfort zone. Yeah, that's something very important that I forgot to tell you. But for example, when if you hate your job, but you have very strong economic commitments, you cannot leave it. So that is why that people stay over there even though that they could be miserable or they don't feel good at all, so they don't leave it. If one has the possibility of taking risk, and by this I mean giving up work that you don't like and take as a plan life, new different kind of development, new different kind of business, and I think you should. Dreams are not to perform there, and if you make it that decision, it's extremely important to get away from that with design thinking, because that is the safest way to be successful in a development. So that is why I have made this video today. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that our Udemy courses are already available. Every Monday we have a new video in Spanish, and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.